How to fix Share My Location not working on iPhone. For this, first of all, open your settings on your device. Once you open your settings, on the top you will see searching bar. On that searching bar, simply search for Find My. Then hit on Find My under Apple ID. There you will see Share My Location option. Make sure that you have toggle on that option. Now go back to the settings home page. From here, tap on Screen Time. From here, scroll down. Go through the content and privacy restriction. If you have toggled it on, then make sure that to toggle it off. Once you do that, check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is still there, then go through the general under settings. Once you go through the general, scroll down to the last. There you will see transfer or reset iPhone option. Simply tap on it. From here, choose reset and do reset all settings. Once you do that, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.